I think it wants to be outside the method, actually. Damn it, this is a method. Oh, this is a method, so I can't. I see. You know what? No, it's fine. I could put a constructor in here and just do instead. Damn it, now my formatting's all messed up. Because I had problems to begin with. Wait. Can static classes have a constructor? Maybe they can. Okay, well, I can think of a different workaround. Let's do this. Oh, wait, but if I don't have a word list. Oh, I just don't have a problem. Okay. I'm gonna Google, can I have a constructor in a static class? Because I hope so, because I'll be fine if I can do that. C#. I can get a static constructor. That's good to know. So what, static? Reward store. Is this fine? Public? Wait. How do I make this a constructor? Because I need to put this in here. Because of what I'm about to do. I need to use this in multiple methods. But I need this to exist even when the method isn't called that it was in. It needs to exist. It needs to already be like initialized. So I need to do it in a class. Oh, all you do is static. Static reward store. Wait, why does it not work? Maybe because there's nothing inside it? Reward list. But I'm putting it in this class. Oh, I know, I know. I know why. I'm not putting it in the right place. Because it has to be inside the brackets of the thing. Like, it still has to be in here. Oh, wait, maybe not. That's what I was thinking it was supposed to be. I still think I have to be in the brackets. Let's see. There we go. Yeah, it has to be inside this main one. My bad. And this one here. I only care about the ordered list. But what I can do is, can I even have something in here like in? Because I think everything has to go in those curly braces. Just making sure. Yeah. Cool. I know, but then I have to call the static method. That's the problem. Yeah, that's why I want to. It's better just to do in constructor when it I think if one of these things are used, so I can get it. Something like that. List reward. Because I think it's the same name, right? I think it's better to do it up here. So that it will stay. Oh. I lied. That's an instance member? Oh, because I didn't do static. There we go. There's not two classes. This isn't a class. This is the constructor. This is the class. This is the class's constructor. Yeah, it does actually. Interesting enough, I just looked it up. Isn't that crazy? It does have a constructor, but I don't know exactly what makes it. I think if you like use something, what makes it happen? Anytime you reference a static member, the constructor is called. Before the first time you reference a static member, or before the first instance, whenever it's being used, like it's called once. When you try to use something in this class, it'll just call its constructor, which is cool. To initialize stuff. Is a mess, lol. Let me start indenting things better. This is a method. You see it indented. Oh yeah, why did this need this? Oh yeah, this is one giant list constructor thing. Cool. This before. Static you just need. Well, that thing you see isn't a constructor. That's a. Oh wait, the thing, that long list thing. I don't know what that is. This is a list. Actually, it's just formatted like this because it's so big. It's just a list. This is just a list. It's just a constructor for a list inside of a method. Oh wow, 2 constructors on it. Always execute first. Execute 1. What's with my stupid bots? Oh, I just realized my TTS hasn't been on this whole time. My bad. It's because all these bots keep coming in, but they're not getting anything. Whoever's in control of these bots needs to get out of here. Because the only thing they're getting is instantly banned without any getting to use the TTS. So.
X-Navy says no TDS sounds more clean LUL.
Oh, lol. Well, I hope you enjoyed that while that lasted. Your little TTS, your little TTS break. What was I doing again? Oh, I was fixing my spacing, but I think it's okay now. What the hell's this? What is this? Oh. Where are the... Oh. Okay. Now they're lined up. What's this? Wait, if this one goes here, where is this one's matching one? The whatever this one is. Oh, that needs to line up with that. There. Okay. And then what is? Why is there even a line here? Honestly, why did I indent this? I usually don't indent these ones. Okay, I'm gonna reformat this and put this back. Where this looks better. Okay, nice. Now that I'll have the reward list thing. Currently an ordered list. Just one space. Now I can create a thing called public void. Let's start with item info because this one will be easier. So I'll get item info. Right, and this is why I just created the ordered list because I need it right now. Ordered list, and then I want their because what did I ask the user to type? Item number. This is one. This will be buy one. Actually, this would be easier now that I think about it. So we need to do stuff with this. They're gonna say buy something something. Like buy one or buy three. I need that last number at the end. I just need the integer part. So buy item. Actually, yeah. I just need the last thing from it. So I can just make a... I need to find the length. Oh, that's actually... No, wait, this shouldn't be crazy hard. It shouldn't be difficult. If I just, find the length. And then grab the character at length. Should get what I want, I think. Even if they actually put the word, it doesn't even matter actually, because I'm just gonna grab the last character, and then I'm gonna turn it into a string or whatever. No, it doesn't have to. It can just stay an integer. It's fine. Or no, it's gonna be a string, and it's fine if it's a string. No, wait, no, it needs to be an integer because I need to use it to access the list. Also, I'll be right back. Alright, so it needs all the classic thingies inside. Oh, I know what I can do here too, because I need... Let me take this actually. I can put something in the helper class.
X Navy says GTG now. Bye
Oh,
Blosapat.
bye X Nice. Bye bye. That's Kimo. Thank you for helping me as always. It's always nice to see you. Okay, promo static void. Oh wait, just control V. Get the last character. Get the user's last integer. This needs to go here. I want this to return an integer, actually. Let's make sure it would turn. Okay, there. Okay, method is the last. Users message in Twitch chat. And converts it into an integer. And luckily, because of my overarching try catch that catches everything in here, I think what I can do is modify this message in the try catch to cover everything that could possibly go wrong with the user chatting. If after you're still getting this response, you're probably... Ooh, what is a complete mystery?
Brennan94 says trying to solve a complete mystery.
Is there something programming
that
you're trying to solve? TGIF. You're still getting this response. You're probably...
Brennan94 says yeah, sad face.
Follow. Right there, finish. Use. Help. Okay, I like this. This is so funny. This bad word. 30-minute timeout. Oh,
Brennan94 says it's not a big problem as the bug can't be reproduced from a user, but it's occurring in an automated test we have that we really want to keep. So it's like,
oh my god,
goddamn it,
that's so
XD.
relatable. Like
I've
trying
been
like
trying like
1,000
500
things.
different hacks and workarounds to
Oh
try
my
and
god, and
make
then
it
you're
work,
just like,
but to no avail.
why can't it? Like, why? But it does make me feel better knowing that, like, actual professionals, like, this stuff isn't easy, especially, I mean, and you guys are working with, like, big code bases, with, like, lots of people all collaborating together, and I can barely do my own stuff. Like, it must be so complicated having all those, like, parts having to work together, like, having to, or possibly causing all the things to break.
Brennan94 says, oh yeah, this happens to everyone all the time, LUL.
Yay! So the more I get used to that feeling of, damn it, why doesn't it work, the more comfortable I'll be with the actual thing. Like, how was in the catch? This is going to be related to this part. Okay, so take the... I suppose I could be more explicit with the instruction.
Brennan94 says what might actually happen for real is that we might comment out the test and say yay it works.
Yay! Okay, it works. Aww. But I like that you're trying really hard to keep it. That's what I would do. I'm like that. It's like, I might not need this, but the fact that it doesn't work bothers me so much. Like, how dare the code try to disrespect me like that, disrespect my intellect. That's how it feels when I can't solve the problem, even if it's not important. It's just like, I want to know why I can't solve it. I don't know if you ever feel like that. You can... but good. Okay, so take the okay. e.chatMessage.message dot lane. I also need e.chat e.chatMessage.message. Element at?
Renatan94 says yeah, especially when it's not your code that is the bug but it's in the actual framework that the application is built on. So sometimes as a developer your hands are tied and you gotta live with things not working right. Usually there are workarounds but sometimes not. Sad face.
Sad face. Framework of the applications built on. Yeah, that is. Yeah, that's annoying. But it's nice to know, though. I mean, if you get to the point where you fully realize it's definitely not anything I've done, and it's something related to either hardware or like the code, like that you didn't write, and you can't change that code, then it's also comforting to know like that you figured it out. Because it feels worse when you just have no idea, and then at night you're just like, was it really me, or could it have been the framework? At least then you have an answer. Index.
Renatan94 says yep XD, I will create a bug report on the framework's GitHub and hope for the best.
Got you. Hopefully there. It'd be good and bad. If it ends up being like a simple solution, it'll be annoying because like, oh my god, why was it so easy? But then also, if it ends up being simple, it'll be nice because then you're like, oh, okay, I can just take care of this and don't have to ever think about it ever again. Things aren't so bad. Ugh, you know, glasses always half empty and half full. What does this return? The element at a specified. Oh, character. Okay. Care. No care. Dot to string. What am I doing? Wait, why am I calling it? Wait, no, to int. do it like this. Okay, go numchar int. Numchar int. Okay, I'm gonna Google this. I forgot how to explicit typecast. Char to int. Give numeric value. Oh, convert. Convert that to int. Oh no! I just realized if the number is over 10, damn it, that's a problem. Because if it's like number 23 or number 7,000, I need to make sure it can get all the numbers. Is there like a try convert it or shoot? I can't just cheat. I was cheating and getting that. I was like, this is easy. I can grab the last character. But instead, I need to do like a for loop and ask, is there 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, or 0? If so, you know, put it in the string and then take the string and then convert that to an int. Okay. I don't really think things are so easy. And then I realized there's a case I didn't think about. So I think what I want to do, go through each character. Can I treat words like an array, like like you would do in Python, for each character? In message the e dot chat message e dot chat message a message I can do this. It's just like Python. I'm glad I learned the basics of Python. It kind of taught me a bunch of stuff that's useful in C#. If so I want an int too. First I need to make a string.
Brennan94 says, what would the full message look like? Would it be a number as a string?
Yeah. It's going to be something, something. There's going to be random text, and then it'll end. There could be more text, but it's going to end in a number, and it could be who knows how big. But I need to grab that number. I need to store that number in a string, and then I need to convert it to an int. That's about it. Like, I just need that number. So for each of the characters, I'm going to create a string. I'm going to create a string builder. No. So if it is a number, store it.
Brennan94 says, is the last character always supposed to be a number?
Yeah, it is always supposed to be a number. And if it's not a number, there's a try catch in the main program. When it fails, there's a try catch, so it should be fine. I don't see a problem. I don't predict that there will be a problem. String builder. String. Okay. If say try if wait no. Character dot but if I do convert dot to convert dot try? What the hell is this?
Brennan94 says, in that case, string is basically an array of chars, so on the string object you have a length property, you can use that to get the last index of the string, and you can also index into a string just like on an array.
But it's not about the last character, well, not just the last one. It's about, I'm going to go through every single character because the number could be arbitrarily long, technically, ow. So I need to test each one from the start. Are you a number? Are you a number? Are you a number? That's what I did at the beginning. At the beginning, I just grabbed the last one because it was easy to do.
All right, I see.
That's why this down here, element at, I was just grabbing it, and then you have the message.length, element at message.length. I was just grabbing the last character, and I was like, wait a second. That's not going to work in every case, because what if they put in 23 or 24? Then I'm only going to get the 4, not the 2.
Snowy _ smile _
Well,
says,
no,
sorry,
thank you for
came.
lurking for so long. You've been
Hi,
around for so long,
good morning.
Snowy.
I am keeping lurking.
Yay!
But you are still here after 16 hours.
Yes.
Wow, hype my heart.
Though. Because I have to try harder, Snowy. I have to try harder. If how's this? Try to converse with man. That's not what I want. Because
Snowy
I might need.
Smile _ says, why can't you use the length of the string to get a character?
No, I'm gonna go for the whole length and check. Because I was just getting. I don't need a. There's gonna be more numbers in a single character. That only works if it's an integer from 0 to 9. But what if it's like 25? If I just grab the 5 at the end, I'm missing out on the rest of the number. That's why. So this is a logical error. That code works though. I didn't think there would be a case where there would be more numbers, but there will be more numbers, so I need to actually work for that. So there would be a better try than this.
Orkama says, wow, you are still on? Eyes.
Hi. Oh yeah, hi Urkamus. I know because I'm like addicted to this and I've made my formatting better. Look at my formatting is so good now. It's so. I went and manually did it I manually moved things around so it would be nicer. I just wanted to finish the shop class. You can't blame me. I just want a basic functional.
Brennan94 says int has a function on it called tryparse, which returns a boolean if it succeeded, and an out variable of the integer
oh, that's what I was
succeeded.
looking for! A tryparse, but I forgot what to call it, what to look for. Tryparse. An out variable of an integer. Wait, you can't return two things though. How can it return a boolean and the integer? Oh, wait a second. It's one of those things where you can like specify what you want it to return, or something. Or let me see. I want to use it. Try parse. But thank you, Herkimer. Oh, you want to see how much progress I've made so far? By the way, you want to see where I'm at right now? Want to see what the bot can do? I know you do. And you want to see.
Snowy_smile_ says you can also return a structure which contains anything you like.
I think Herkimer left. Oh wait, no, I lied. Oh, you said lol. Yeah, I thought you were. But the chat, the list of people in chat, it's Twitch is lying to me. Okay, yay. Well, I'm excited to show you. Let's comment this out for a second, so I won't get any build errors. Okay, so check out what I can do. So it can do this. Now, this is what I was working on this whole time. And it can do, this. And no matter how many rewards I have, like if I have 500 rewards, it knows how, so Twitch has a 500 character limit, and it knows how to divide the message into sets of 500 automatically. It can divide it into sets of 500, and if there's any remainders left over, it will be sent in the last message.
Snowy_smile_ says yeah, you need to divide it.
Because if it's too long, then it ends up being an exception. That makes it break. And right now I'm working on the commands. Short info, long info. Oh, thank you.
Orkama says Naiya is very cool.
And I have a list of rewards. Yay. Oh, also control KD doesn't work. I'm sad about that. I don't know, I can't get it to auto format for me. Maybe I'm doing it wrong.
Snowy_smile_ says you can look for the last punctuation or space before 500, or 499 for index, to divide there.
Oh, okay. Got you. I don't remember what it was then for the command. Oh, I know what I had to do. Well, it actually includes 500. It's up to 500, so all the way up to 500. It's inclusive, and it needs to be, because I was using what's the function called? Substring. I need to know exactly the amount I need to grab. I can't put out 500. I can't have a substring of 500 if there's only 40 characters. It needs to be exactly 40. So I need it in exact count, and so I had to make an algorithm for that, and I did get help with this because, damn, I was stuck on this for like an hour and a half. I felt like I was doing leet code. My god. You want to see the thing? This is the thing I'm most proud of tonight. Because it was hard. I mean, it was just the math part was hard. It's hard. Where is it? Oh, it's in helper class. This is the logic for it. Oh yeah, here's the variables. Yes, this is really long. So we can divide in sets of 500, and output the, see? And this is what it does. But this works perfect. And it can handle any message of any length.
Says you can make it 10 to 20 smaller, Don't be too strict to make it easier/safer unless you want
No,
to
I hit
challenge
the
your
max. It works.
logic/ability.
It's fine. I didn't have to shrink it. I want it maxed out. I tested to see what the max length was. I made sure it was actually 500, not 499.
Orkamus says you pushed recently.
I'm
curious what it all
Wait, I
looks
want to
like.
push again. If you're gonna check it out, I want to push again because it's all working so far. I'm gonna push again. I'm gonna add on push. Let's add. Look, I changed. The comment colors got changed. I had. No, I want it maxed. I don't want to send.
Says, but it's better
divide
for
it
you
into
to
extra
divide
messages.
smaller than 480/490/498.
I mean, it works at 500, but I prefer 500, so I'm satisfied. I'm gonna do git.
Snowy_smile_ says because exact 500 can be dangerous.
How? If I'm doing it, if the map is all lined up. Git add all. Like if Twitch changes their maximum message length, then I'll just adjust mine in the code. Because the logic will still work. If I just change that number 500, the variable, like it'll still, like the logic works for it. It doesn't matter what the number is. I can easily change it to any number I want it to be. At all. Git commit. Everything seems to be working swell. And I want Urkamus to see.
Snowy_smile_ says not that issue. Sometimes the bound issue is troublesome and can be expected.
Oh, I'll just be on the lookout if there's any problems with that. Oh my god, I always forget to put the git m thing. Oh, Urkamus, next time I run the bot, you want to show off the Easter egg? How funny the Easter egg is. I still love the Easter egg.
Snowy_smile_ says OFC
Yeah,
you can use 500 but it has a higher risk. It can shows up sometimes when you didn't pay attention to.
Yeah, I'll just try to pay attention to it. If I notice anything, I'll make changes, but it probably won't be a major big deal if it's cutting off like small words. If I don't notice it, it ends up not being a problem. But yeah, good challenge of
Snowy_smile_ says yeah, it is a good challenge.
Come on, I know you love it, goodness. What the heck? What did I do wrong? Oh my god, I put 3 M's in commit. I'm crying. Delete one of the M's, go away. There. And then git push. There. Everything's pushed now. Okay, Urkamus, let's do it. Because hopefully it still remembers all the things it's supposed to do. Wait, let me use SB first, just to make sure it can distinguish. SB.
Snowy_smile_ says just in practice.
Oh, yeah.
Don't use 500. Very
yeah, it's
strict.
good not to push it all the way to the max.
Of
it's good to have leeway in lots of things. I'm only doing it because this is my personal project and I get to have fun. Oh, we have to wait for the join. This is my try catch.
Benzerka GG says hi. Did
Yeah,
you learn Japanese before?
Oh, are you friends? Okay. If you recognize Ben, then that means they're like a language viewer. But that's surprising. Then that means, but it's not your first time either. So are you just a...
Benzerka GG says, oh hi Snowy, been a while.
I was gonna say, you must have been a follower from back then. You just like popped in. It's like, what's going on? Right now I'm not doing Japanese. Oh, I bet it works now, Archimedes. I bet the joins have come through. Isn't that cute? I love it so much.
Snowy _ smile _ says hi. I haven't streamed for 8 months.
Oh, he meant for Snowy.
Nice to see you here.
Okay, so now we know that still works. It's all good. Okay, back to what I was doing with this helper class thing. For each character in. So I want to use try parse really bad. No way!
Benzerka GG says cool, you're learning coding.
Why everyone?
I'm a dev myself.
Why is everyone a dev? Like seriously, like it's like less than 1% of the people who come in from this channel are not devs. Like officially devs. It's crazy. It's so cool. Try. Y'all so swole. Where would try parse be found? Google it. See where I access it from. Try parse.
Benzerka GG says haha.
In 32.try parse method. Where's the string of a number?
Benzerka GG says I don't know anything about C.
Oh, cool. Well, C# is very user-friendly and very easy to use, and anyone who comes in here who's a dev and doesn't use C# ends up picking it up really fast, and then they end up knowing more than me. That's so easy to use.
Snowy _ smile _ says it's pretty fun.
Snowy.
You are enjoying
it. Is
it.
Fun.
I think you can be a really good programmer.
I hope so.
You
I just
have
gotta
a good
keep
concentration
trying
and
harder.
passion.
Okay,
Snowy C-Teen, hello.
Good luck in your class. Study hard, work hard, have fun. And see you soon, esteemed senior dev. Okay, so well, this needs to be a string because I can't try parse the character.
Archimedes says LOL, not annoying. I'm saying your helper class.
Wait, what about my helper class? Oh. Oh, I thought you said, I see you. Oh my god, forgive me, I've been streaming for a long time. I thought you said, I have a uni class now. Like, you're gonna go to your uni class. I was like, okay, bye. Yes, this is a utility. Thank you. You know what it is, because Win was like, that's a terrible name for a class. Because like I don't even. That's like the most generic name ever. I was like, yeah, but it's a utility. It's for various things.
Just
like
it's
strings.
A common pattern. Static util classes like this.
Oh, they're usually named instead of I named it helper, but normally it would be in like real quick. People tend to name it like utility or something. It's cool. All languages, except maybe like Haskell or something. Third party? Wait, why can't I try parse this? If I'm turning this into a string. Really. Wait, does toString actually have to... Oh, it needs to return into something first. Okay, it's fine. There's an extra step. Make a string.
Renadin94 says you need to write int.tryparse.
What was a string bottle later? Okay, string. String.
Renadin94 says and then pass in the string.
I'm gonna do it. I actually have to write int.tryparse to do it. Oh, okay, maybe that's why. I was confused. Oh, you're right. Okay, so I didn't need this after all. Or this was int.tryparse.
Snowy_smile_ says I might fall asleep anytime. Hope you work well.
Oh, thank you. Yes, sleep is good. Fall asleep whenever you need to. I sleep when I need to. Most of the time. That's why you won't see me streaming every single day, but when I do stream, I try. So I just put the thing I want to parse in, right? A character. I hope. What the hell? What goes in this? Returns true if...
Renadin94 says a common way to use it is in an if statement, because the function returns a boolean. So
yeah.
if int.tryparse
I was just wondering if I put...
message
if I set it up right.
/ do something.
That's what I was gonna do with it. I just wanted to make sure I was putting it, you know, accessing it right, and I was using the arguments right. I don't think I am. I don't think this is how the argument goes. Because this needs a string. Oh yeah, so I still need the string thing because... oh wait, no, character.toString. But this returns a string, so... it still won't work unless I store it in a string. So let me... should have put the thing back. String... I still have to do this. First num string. If... yeah. Oh, is it just because of... what? Okay. Oh, I know what it is. My bad. It's these. Okay, no, never mind, still. What are all these different overloads? Let me Google tryparse real quick. String in 32.
Renadin94 says and the result would be the integer that it successfully converted to, which you can access in the if block.
Missing an argument. What does this mean? Do I actually write int 32? Am I just trying to parse and I'm putting in an actual int into... what? Result? What does that mean? I thought it returns a boolean. I'm confused by that. If successful. Oh, that's weird. That's what that is.
Renadin94 says it's a special function that returns an out variable if successful.
That's cool. Oh, so that's what the second variable is. Like, that's where the out will go? Basically, I just put it in here. Like, can I make one? No, I have to have one already. Okay. And wow. It's very special.
Brennan94 says exactly, you need to specify out as well.
Out? Oh my, oh, I actually have to use this keyword too. To make it work. What is this? Okay. Chat, is this real? Weird. I have no use for the out though, but that's fine. I can still use it for the Boolean part. Okay, I need to. I want to finish this.
Hello, get Somo
thing.
sleep.
If as an integer. Oh yeah, if I decide I want to use it, right?
As integer.
It parses, but yeah, we'll end up getting put in it. But I'm not going to use it because I don't need it.
Brennan94 says yeah.
Right now, I need to put all the numbers into the string builder, and then take the string builder, and then convert it into a string, and then take the string, and then turn it into an int. Hang on.
Brennan94 says you will need to write out int integer though, instead of out integer.
Oh wow, it wasn't giving me a, oh, what was this? Wait, that's a semicolon. Oh really? No, I don't, because this, look, I defined it already. It's an int. See? That's what I have to do. That's why it's not giving me an error. Integer. So it is an int. Oh, wait a second. Is it not using this one? What if I delete this? No, it is, because this got red now. And I'm borrowing this one, because this one you said is special. It's like assigning. So I think I'm just using whatever this is for it. If at least the compilers, oh, not the compiler, but the, you know, the thing at the beginning, the, well, I guess compiler isn't, there's no red lines. Okay, so I want to try parse. If it's true, then take it, put it in the, oh, why is this in the for each though? Oh, I see why I'm doing it, yeah. It's a number string. So if it's true. This one's getting called number SB. Else.
Benzerka GG says, can the strings contain numbers that aren't at the end?
Yeah, but there's a try catch in the main thing that'll, if it fails, if there's an exception, it'll just do the try catch. That's in this one. From where all this stuff is being called. It's like something's calling this in here, and something's calling that in here. So this is like the third party. But there's a try catch in the main one that should trigger, apparently. What the hell's wrong with this? Unassigned local variable.
Brennan94 says you don't need an else actually, you only need the if, because if it fails it will return false, because it's a boolean.
Oh. Oh, and it won't run that. Okay. What's wrong with my number speed though? Oh, I know what it is. But this is static. Will this be okay? Damn it. I hope I can do this though. Oh yeah, this is fine.
Renatan94 says it will run it, but I don't think you need it, if you only want to get the last number.
I don't want to get the last number. That's what I mean. I want to get all the numbers. Because if I wanted to get the last number, I would have just used the easier solution with element at that I was originally doing. I want as many digits as they type into the thing. Okay, so...
Renatan94 says yeah, but that's the same then still, it will work.
Yeah. But if I just were to grab the one at the very end, then it won't work in some cases. This one works in all the cases. The use cases that, you know, it's supposed to work in. String out measure. Doing. So this if works. Okay, then when it's done this for each loop, number SB should have my thingy in it that I want. So number SB.toString. See if I can use int32 on this, like int. I'm gonna use this one again. This is fine. Crazy. Actually, I don't really want triparse, but I can still do it like this. Oh my god, can I use this one integer and put it... I don't think I can. What's wrong with this though? In the current context. Oh, int. Oh yeah, it's a bool. One's like this.
Orkamus says I did find another streamer who is the C.
Ooh, that's cool. Oh, Urkamus, were you here when that guy was here earlier tonight? The guy named NetDev. Were you here when he came on? The guy named NetDev or no? Because he's actually a senior software engineer for .NET, with specifically .NET and C#. And C# his main language. And he was like super happy I was doing C# because he's like, he was saying like everyone's not doing C# for some reason. Oh, you caught him just for that. Oh yeah, okay. Yeah, he is really cool.
Orkamus says yeah, I caught him just before I left.
No, he's my first .NET dude. I think. But then again, didn't you say in the past that you use C# too? But I forgot if it's like your main language. Oh, was C# your main language that you use too?
Orkama says say again? Orkama says yesy.
Oh, cool. Node. Dot, Oh my god, I already forgot how to do the to end.
Brennan94 says hey fellow node person.
Oh, it's convert dot prime. You know what? I'm just gonna take the 2-bit string.
Orkama says at Renatan94 backhand index pointing left. Backhand index pointing left.
Backhand. Oh, it's string now. Never mind, that was a bad idea. Oh, we can't have one name too. I see. Nope, num string's fine actually. Put that. Okay. Now num string equals. Integer. So I'll use the retriever, I think it's fine. Okay, num.
Renatan94 says I think the idea you had before would work, to do another int parse on the number sb to string.
Wait, what? But I don't want the last character. I want more than that. I want to go through all of them. Okay, I hope this works. Return. Oh, it still needs to return. Integer. Okay. I need to test this. Oh, okay. We'll see.
Renatan94 says no I know.
Oh, you meant like a different part of it.
65 will save all numbers
50.
into number sb, then if you do another int parse on the entire number sb to string, it would return an integer of all the numbers.
Yeah, but I didn't want to do that because then I would do another if, like try parse, because the try parse thing is not like a it returns a bool, but I want to use this integer thing in the end, so I would have to make like an if statement to access the integer to return it, and I just didn't feel like it making another if statement. I thought this was easier because at this point I'm only putting integers into the string builder, so I know this will parse. And if it didn't, I don't even care either because I have a try catch on it. But it should. And now I need to get this tested. But to test it, I need to use it in where it's supposed to go. And where it's supposed to go is in the reward shop. I did all of this just for this one method, which I'm going to call in the program. Because this is going to return in, so get the users. And I'm doing all this. get the helper class.
Renaton94 says yeah, absolutely. Another traparse is probably unnecessary if you don't need the out variable.
Well, I need the out variable, but I just didn't want to make another if to get it. And I don't really need to try it, because I already know what's in that string is an int. So it all should work out. What am I doing with this again? Get item info.
Renaton94 says yep.
So this will be get item info. Short description. So I'm gonna do the short description one first. Get item short description. I keep naming my things with the wrong casing. So one will be get item short description, one will be get item long description. I should just copy and paste it at the end, honestly. Because the code's going to be identical, which is one, this is the only thing that's going to change. So all I do is e dot. But I need to test that makes that it works. E dot message dot message. Channel. Wait, what the hell did I do that? It's actually client dot. Okay, client dot. Send message. Then take this. Oopsie. This in here. Secret to end. I need to change the. This description needs to be changed because I changed what this does.
Renaton94 says one thing to keep in mind is that convert.toInt32 will throw an
I
exception
have a
if the
try catching
input
the
is
main
not
thing.
valid. So if a user types
So
no
it should be
numbers,
fine.
then
I'm
there
gonna
might
be
be an
testing
issue.
it
But maybe
with
you
bad
had it within a
output
try
input.
catch, I don't remember.
Like I'm gonna test it without giving it numbers and just make sure that the try catch works on this one. But right now I'm having a problem with the. What happened to it? With. Oh, there's like a weird random thing down here. You see that?
Renaton94 says good stuff.
There was just a weird random this here, but that's the problem. What the hell is this doing? What in the... I don't know what's wrong with this. So if I do... Oh, I'm stupid. It's this, isn't it? No? I didn't need that. Oh, client. Oh, I know what it's... Because I haven't used it yet. In the program, like I didn't call it for anything. Did I? What am I doing with this again? Oh, yeah. I'm dumb. That's right. So for this one... Yeah, I need arguments in it. E.chat message that message. This requires the client. I think it does require the client sender. Yeah. Okay, so client sender E. Oh. There we go. Short description. And then we just copy and paste it, do the same thing for the long description. It's identical, but except we get the long description, so. And then we have the last one. Oh wait, I should test it though. Yeah, let's test to make sure that one build works. And then I just need to make the buy items thing. But then, actually, I could probably do that next time. Because I could add the buy items. I can add, and then there needs to be, like, one of the items has something special. It has a raffle thing. So I want to have a thing. A method here in this CS file that can handle the raffle. And then later on, I should do other stuff too, like items, add method to give points, that too. Add raffle.
Renadin94 says the methods to get the descriptions currently has a void return type.
Because it doesn't really get it. It doesn't return anything. It's not supposed to. It just prints out the message that I want. So get is kind of misleading because I'm not returning. Maybe I should just rename it to... But it is still inside the method with all the stuff that it's doing in here. It is calling on stuff to... It's getting it and then it's printing it. So it's like get and print. I guess the real name should be like get and print item long description. Because inside the void method, it's getting it and then it's at the very end, it's sending the message to the chat. I think it works fine. Display. Should be fine then. There. Add print to
Renaton94 says would be good practice to rename
that it
Yad.
returns something.
Having
yeah.
get in a method name always means that it returns something.
Or you're right, if someone else is reading it, they're gonna be like, what the hell? This doesn't return anything. It's void. Add method to in case I have to stop the bot. Actually, I can put this into the exit. Let's update. A list of people in the raffle. If there are any. Okay. To use some random number generation will be fun. This I need to relocate into the project thing. The plan and feature outline. Stuff that I'm working on right now. And then buy items. We can do next time. Just gonna make use of the other stuff that we're doing with some more if statements. That works. Okay, time to figure out the billions of bugs I just created probably. Because every time I think I'm like, oh, this is great, this will work, this is perfect. There won't be any problems. There are so many problems. So first I'll test it with a real one. I want the... Oh wait, I'm stupid. I made the methods, but I'm not calling them in the main thing, so nothing will ever happen. Because they need to get called, so now I have to update this. These should be updated into a switch later. Else if... So messed up looking. Oh, I'll take this one actually. This one's different because it needs to start with, oh no. No, I can do contains. Because there should be something that says dot contains. Okay, dot contains. Short info. And this would be okay, this is what a problem it is. I call this reward store. This actually should be shop. What's this one?
Brennan94 says one thing that may be interesting to you Oswell, you know where you had that try parse and then the out variable, if you actually do out underscore, it tells the compiler and people reading it that it's a discarded value, that it won't be used. So if you don't use it in that place, would be good practice to do a discard on it.
Oh, that's cool. Okay. Where is it? I don't think you can put it in there afterwards. A space between.
Brennan94 says out underscore, there's a space between.
Oh, you're saying name it this. Like, give it the name. Like, pick a name. But I just, like... Oh, wait. No, wait. Oh, I see. I don't even have to use a name. I can just... Cool. Discard.
Brennan94 says
cool.
exactly.
So what is... Cool. And it counts it, like, as a keyword, too. It's colored like a keyword.
Brennan94 says then it's discarded.
Yes, this is, like, the discard keyword. In this context. It's cool. It is cool. Well, I should make a note of that, because I swear I'll end up looking at this code and be like, in the future, I'll be like, what the hell is going on? Okay. Okay. Okay, now I'll have to do this test. Okay, so short info, we'll start with that one. 1, 2. First short info, and I'll just do like 1, which is format the code. No, I'll do the zip 1, 3. Make me play NAND game. Oh, hell yeah. Wait, 3 is supposed to be freaking... Oh, I know what it's doing. I'm off by 1. It's doing 0-based index, so I just need to take the number it's giving me. So it's doing make me play NAND game. Subtract by 1. Okay. So just return integer -1. Let's try again. What the? All I did was this return integer -1 thing. Oh wait, never mind, it's working now. I lied. What is it trying to do? How can I not return integer -1?
Renadin94 says if you write 0 it will try to get -1 index.
Well, yeah, but then it would...
Do you mean 1?
Nope. It's off by 1. It's 1 too high because of how I numbered things. Okay, there's no reason why it should. Remove this. No, it's still breaking here. So I don't know. It was running before, but now it's not. Oh, wait, I know why. Because it's still running. No, this is fine. This is fine. I forgot to stop the bot. It's still running. Stop it. Because I kept trying to run it when it was already running. So it's a build failure.
Gotcha.
Because it's running. It's like, I can't build this when you're running it and trying to run it again. So yeah, I can return this. There's no problem. So yeah, it's an index 0, but I display it as an index starting from 1 because because humans count from 1. So short info 3, and now it should give me one for SIP. There we go. Let's do long info 3. Did they both actually say the same thing? See? That's an exception. Nice. So it does work. The try-catch works. Short info. Here, it's just ignoring it. Oh wait, I just wrote short. There you go. See? The try-catch handles it perfectly. But the long info and the short info, I think I need... It is working. I think I forgot to change the long to short in the reward. Which part? In the reward shop one. Look, short description, short description. So this one's short description. This one needs to be long description. That's the only... I just forgot to change this part. And then it should work fine. The try catches work perfectly. Now I want to get into a 2-digit number. I want to make sure the 2-digit number works. So I'm going to add fake rewards until we get to a 2-digit number. 2. For maximum, good testing. Nice. And then, what else do I need to do? Oh yeah, so that works, so that's good. I just need to fake a reward. That's the try catch. And as you see, it says, if after a few minutes you're still getting this response, you're probably putting command in wrong, because you are. So type more carefully and pay careful attention to the instructions. So command review, list of commands. What was I doing again? Trying to pull long info. Oh yes, testing. There's one other test I want to run before I pass out. How long is this one going on for? 16 hours, not bad. Okay. So the reward.
94 says 16 hours.
I guess so, said OBS. Reward. Where did I put my rewards again? It's in the reward shop, that's why I have classes. There are my rewards. So here, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we're gonna add a bunch of fake ones into it just for testing, and we're gonna call them test reward. Oopsie. His name will be 1, and then we'll have 2. And these will get deleted afterwards, so it doesn't matter. Spacing doesn't matter. 2. 3. 4. And the code will handle this just fine. Okay. So now it goes up to 10. So let's make sure it actually can do 10. Oh, wait. I know what I need to do. I need to change the long description to make sure this is correct. Alright, I stopped the bot. I need to change the description. So the short description is before. Too short. This one's gonna be too long. One short. One long. Three short. Three long. Four short. Yeah. And then now we can test to make sure 2-digit numbers are covered. Let's see. Nice. So number 10 is number 4. So we should get 10 long and 10 okay, short info. Let's do it 10. 4 short. So this is the first time I actually coded something up. Like I made more than like 20 lines of code and didn't have a bug that I had to fix. Like it just works the first time. It's really nice. 10. Wait, long info 4. Long info 10. For short. Okay, so we can parse longer numbers. Thank you. Write it down. I'm glad you were here, and I'm glad you.
Says, keep it up.
And you taught me so many interesting
nice
things.
Job.
Like the out, like the discard thing. That's cool. If I saw that by myself, I'd be like, "What the hell is this crap?" And here's the ironic thing. Did you know? Before you joined, a few hours before you joined, I was asking people like, "What's the out keyword?" But I didn't really know what it meant. Still, someone was like, "It means it's covariant or something," and I'm like, I don't know what that means, but I was like, okay, it's covariant, but what the hell is covariant? But you explained that nicely. I guess that is the same thing as covariant. It's like, have a return, but you have a variable that it ends up storing something in, so then you can use it for something. Much better description. So they said, it's just covariant. I'm like, what the hell is covariant?
Brandon94 says LUL.
And I said, don't be like the person who told me not that long ago, like a week ago, or like a few days ago, or however long, maybe like a week ago. I was like, what's a coroutine? And then someone in the chat was like, a coroutine is just a routine. That's co. Like, the hell? You're not helping me. But yeah, did I show you the funny thing about that wait, were you here? Because when sorry, it's like, I can't remember things right now. Code explanation, no. Horrible explanation.
Renatan94 says good explanation, ha ha ha.
I can't wait to push this. This comma doesn't hurt anyone, so I'm gonna keep the comma. And I'm gonna add and push. 3, 4, 5, 6. I think might delete this reward, but I can just do it later because this one doesn't have a whatever the shortcut was for auto formatting. I don't think there is one. I think the shortcut they were giving was actually for VS Code. No, I mean VS Studio. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Did you know about the funny thing that I had in here? If you have any ideas, let me know for it. So there's gonna be a fun thing planned for the bot. Here, I'll show you. It's not coded yet, but this is what it's gonna do because I have everything in an outline. Like, and I was working from all of this, like, step by step. Like, I even have this one, jank, which, because it's not my fault. It's the API. It's Twitch. I can only get the data when Twitch sends it, and sometimes it sends with a delay. That's why I wrote jank 3 times. That was fun. So this is the thing. This is one of the fun things. So in the future, if you use the command make me senior dev, it'll just give you like a random fact, and I'm just collecting a bunch of things to have it say. So it'll say, to become a senior dev, all you need to do is, and then it will say one of these. And I just really like these. And I collected these all just from tonight, when people come up with like cool ideas. A space a day keeps the red squiggle away. Isn't that so cute? Isn't that the cutest thing ever? You know it's good. This one's pseudo RMRF, no preserver.
Brennan94 says, haha, that is some so good stuff.
And someone came up with this one earlier, like hours ago, many hours ago. Always push your code at the end of business on Friday. This is what I would do. Yay! And then this one was from the thing I just told you about. But then there's this one's cute. wrap your whole life inside a try block. I wish I could do that. But yeah, I'm gonna try to collect all kinds of ideas so the bot can say fun things.
Renatan94 says truey.
And there's the null reference exception. Ooh, I know which one. I know what reference I want to make. I want to write the comment out. I know. This is one of my favorite jokes. I think hopefully you'll like this one. This will be the last thing I do, is write this last one that I'm going to end up using later. Because I have to scroll a little bit through Discord to find the meme. But I really like it. Where is that? No, this isn't my phone. It's right next to me. How are you? Oh, I just blankets in the way. Okay.
Renatan94 says, oh yeah, one additional info about out. You can create your own function that has an out argument, and inside the function you can set that variable to a value, so you can call the function the same way you did with try-parse.
What the hell?
So it's
That's
not
so
just
cool.
some internal thing that C.
Feature anyone that can use, so I can use it too. Oh hell yeah. Okay, I'm copy and pasting that, so I can review that later. Into my thingy. That is crazy. Crazy cool. Anytime people share like interesting facts or shortcuts or cheats to using stuff, like I'm writing them down because I know I'll forget. And look at this, isn't this cool? In VS Code, if you do prop and then tab, okay, it doesn't work on this file. But if I go back to like a C# one, if I go what's your space? If I go prop, like I want to make a property, and then tab, look at that! It does a boilerplate for me. I didn't know I could do that, and I was just typing it all out really slowly. I was typing out like 10 properties really slowly, and someone was like, "Just do prop tab." It's like, no way! Isn't it so cool? Okay, I'm finding the meme.
Renatan94 says, oh yeah, that's nice. I've only coded in C.
No. Ah, Visual Studio. cool for a constructor. I'll rate that. I'll take a note of that too, because I'll probably use Visual Studio in the future. Oh, you can't do things in C# and never touch Visual Studio at once. It's like a given. If you use C#, like, even if you like VS Code, like, you're gonna use Visual Studio for some things because it's Visual Studio. It's like C#'s real home. I'm just using, I like using VS Code because not only is the performance better because I'm on a laptop and it can open faster, but I like how it's 1,000 times harder to use. Well, hey, I hate it too, but it's very satisfying when I am, like, being able to use it is satisfying because it's a real big pain in the ass to use this one, more so than Visual Studio. And
0unique_ says if you do HTML then you'd love Emmet. There's so many shortcuts like that.
No. Emmet. Right that way, yeah. It's nice for small things, and if I'm working on like some small project, it's perfect. I get why VS Code though. VS Code just has all the features for all the like heavy lifting and the things, but this is just like a perfect little cute code editor. If it wasn't so damn hard to use VS Code, but yeah. And I like all the add-ons. I like how you can pick what you want. It's just very. And if I want to develop add-ons in the future, it'd probably be easier to do it like for like VS Code. I don't know. It's very cute, but also annoying. And what else about it? Yeah.
Orkamus says JetBrains or bust Kappa.
JetBrains or bust. Oh yeah, I forgot you are the JetBrains person. Oh.
0unique_ says there is a newer editor coming out called Zed, which is very cool.
Okay, where is the meme? You know what I'm gonna find, Archimedes. I'm finding the butterfly thing I told you earlier. But it's so funny. Now, this is how you enjoy the end of a stream after like doing so much work. You enjoy it by just like finding memes and not worrying about other things. Where's my meme? Oh my god. Am I just blind? I think it's just scroll slower. Where is
Orkamus
it?
says Zed looks kinda interesting.
I'm waiting to do because that would be crazy. I would cry. Maybe I just put it. I don't see it here. Okay. I'm gonna try searching it for it differently. From
Renadin94 says I like code editors, but IDEs has their time and place as well given how many features they have.
Yeah, I've used Visual Studio before. Visual Studio is like 30,000 million times easier than VS
Zero
Code.
Unique underscore says Z is made by the sum of the same people who made Atom.
Wait, is that the one that died? That's not used anymore or something? That got like bought out by wasn't there some? There was one that like got bought out by a company, but then they like abandoned it. The company, and then it went to ruin. That's what happens when you sell out.
Renadin94 says at Urkamus WebStorm user here.
If,
Zero Unique underscore says yeah Atom is dead now, it was really popular cause it's super easy to use and had tons of extensions.
That is absolutely tragic. There it is, I found my thing. I don't know what kind of. Oh, it's because it's similar to the Discord background color and I'm blind and I'm tired and it's yeah.
Renadin94 says Kappa.
Let's code with me. What? Okay, here's the thing I wanted to write. I found it. I just want to copy it. You must. I'm gonna add some new words into it too.
Orkamus says was honestly thinking of streaming with that feature, seems fun.
Code with me is the name of like a feature in something.
Renadin94 says I have unironically never used it LUL.
What is that? Use. Type.
Renadin94 says VS Code has a similar thing but I've never used that either.
Oh.
Zero Unique underscore says coding stream but chat can do stuff to bork up the code with channel points or something.
No way. Wait, no way. That's like a feature in something already. Are you just saying like that's an idea? Work up the code. That sounds bad. Code with me, and then it says
yeah.
code with me /by question mark section. I love it. Commercial and billing equals yearly. I'm crying.
Orkamus says there's a community one.
Maybe we're fun for chat. Well, there's one other one that I want to have that was pretty good. That a friend sent. I know if you have an EDU account or whatever.
Zero Unique _ says you can get JetBrains free if you are in college or
That's
have a
still
.edu
really lame
email.
though. And it's not even that I don't even have. It's not even that I don't have an account that I could use. It's just annoying that they would do it only in that one circumstance. I don't know. In principle, that is annoying. I do not like.
Renadin94 says I wish WebStorm had a community edition.
But I will say the people who do use JetBrains like swear by it. Like I've never seen people love their IDE so much as that particular one. So there must be a lot of good things about it still. Let's see. I'm just trying to find one more meme. One more.
Renadin94 says Urkamus, have you had experience with Sea Lion?
Sea Lion. Oh.
Urkamus says yeah, I've used it a bit. I have the all IDE pack thing.
Let's see this one too.
Renadin94 says cool, I'm considering to try it. Orkamus says yeah, I like it.
Okay, I defined my thing. I don't know if it fits in nicely into with the rest though. Because the other one's more like visual, but still. It's all good. I know how you feel about C++, Artemis. Good thing SBQ isn't here anymore to cry.
Renadin94 says I'm starting to get into C, things are finally clicking for me, so I'd like to get a nice IDE XD.
Oh, heck yeah, oh nice. Well, if you ever see SBQ in my chat, SBQ is a C++ main. And is good at it. And shares all the interesting facts with me, but from the lens, from the perspective of C++. And also, the coolest thing is, so I do this too now, is they refer to C++ as the language, so they'll just capitalize it, the language. Like you have other computer languages, and then you have the language, and that's C++.
Orkamus says I think it forces make though for builds.
But yeah, it's been fun. Thank you guys. I'm not tired. Wait, did I do the git push stuff? I forgot. I'm gonna do it again, because I don't remember now.
Orkama says, or at least that's what's most tightly integrated.
What is my last... Oh my god, I'm just gonna do it again. Okay, get... Okay. Okay, get... Commit. Oh wait, there was one thing I wanted to do before I do all this. I need to copy and paste. Did I move the thing? From the... Do I need this? Okay, I'm gonna paste this out too. Workshop.cs. Okay. Yeah, I did need to modify some stuff. This is fun. This is done.
Brennan94 says, I don't have enough knowledge about C compilation to know why make is worse than any other tool. LUL anything sounds good to me at the stage I'm at with it.
Done. There's the 2 liter one.
Zero unique underscore says make is pretty good, it's just overly complicated and hard to work with.
That sounds gross. So this message in the bottom. Just good. Oh my god, why do I keep making the same mistake?
Orkama says, I am really interested in John Blow's language cause he's trying to make the build system work in the language itself.
Prefix now. And...
Zero unique underscore says Zig does that.
Wow, I forgot to put the M thing again.
Zero unique underscore says the builds are written in Zig. Orkama says Zig. Rings a bell. Is that the DB oriented one?
Okay, good push.
Zero unique underscore says nah, Zig is just like a general language.
Oh. That's enough bot for one day. But yeah.
Zero unique underscore says you can import C code and use it with no problems. 0 unique underscore says and pass in zig types into the C code.
Oh, thank you, Renyon. You say I'm on
94
fire,
says
but...
a ton of progress for 16 hours. You're on fire.
But I am ready to pass out now. I'm ready to go into a code coma. But thank you guys for bringing me to that point. It was fun. Nice seeing you again, Urkamus, in the same stream.
Renadin94 says you will wake up with 50
nice.
IQ.
I wish. If only. Dang, if I could just borrow like 1 IQ point from you guys, I would be able to do so much. That's how smart, that's how intelligent you are.
LOL, have a nap, hey guys.
I will have a good nap. Oh, thank you. It was fun. Good night. Bye.